Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand. Let's talk my closet. One of the dilemmas in life I have is what to do with all the clothes I buy and I use for my videos. I have about 700 videos, and in almost every single one of them I wear something different. Can you imagine that? But it's true. I have done a lot of exchanges with my girlfriends, but I found this new app called Poshmark. I use it right off my phone. Make sure you see the link so you can follow along and do this at your house, and do it today, because let me show you about how it works. It's that easy, and the things that you get to buy and sell are amazing. The closet in my room just is not big enough to show all the clothes I have. And there's a ton of shoes too. But that space just wasn't enough. So then I got a tough shed. Check this out. It holds everything in my world that won't fit in my closet or my house. Someone call Hoarders Anonymous. I have to apologize, but this is just how I live. They're not all clothes to throw away, but it was really easy to get 10 items to start my Poshmark account. So I found these 3 tops, which I've worn on videos, and they're great. So I put those 3 tops on my app, and I have 3 pairs of pants I put on the app. I'm just gonna have to get rid of some of my skinny jeans. Those days are gone, and the size of each particular pair of pants are in the app. And I have a few sweaters on the app and a few dresses. I thought these would be great. So if you've liked any of these things, make sure you go to Poshmark, and I'm selling them really cheap. Time to get out with the old so I can have room for the new. Poshmark's great because I can recycle stuff, and I can get other people's slightly used clothing. Isn't that super? I love this recycling of clothing thing that's going on right now in our society. Oh, it's just the best. And Poshmark also has a lot of high-end brands. In fact, I'm getting rid of some Adidas items I have. They're also big on sportswear from Nike. I love their Louis Vuitton handbags they have on the app, and also Michael Kors with all the designer stuff from that brand. It's an app to get casual things or fancy things. They're all there. Download the app for Poshmark and check out my closet, and maybe I'll check out yours. Make a comment in this video and let me know what you're gonna sell. I'll tell you what I'm selling. Let's strike a deal. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my new videos. And I will see you around as I continue to shop.